What is up, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a returning customer actually that brought his 2018 F-150 Raptor back, and we have a slew of KHC goodies that we are going to be putting into this bad boy. Now, going over what we will be doing to this Raptor, we're going to be doing the KHC front bump stop mounts, and adding into that we're going to be doing the Fox bump stops. Also adding to that, we are going to be doing limiting straps and secondary shocks. Now, the last thing that we're going to install on the front end is going to be the KHC Lower Control Arms. Moving on to the rear, we're going to be doing some rear lower landing pads with bump stop mounts with a 3.5 by 16 and our KHC low profile bypass rack, which I highly recommend to any of you guys looking to get a bypass rack. Well, guys, I think it's enough talk. Let's get this Raptor into the shop so Dale can start wrenching on it, and I'll see you guys later. Well, guys, here it is. Dale just wrapped up this thing and it looks absolutely killer and is ready for the customer to come pick it up. And he is on his way, so we have to wrap this thing up real fast. But I just want to go over the things again as to what we did to this Gen 2 Raptor. Starting off in the front, we have our KHC front bump stop kit with Fox bump stops. We have our KHC lower control arms, and we also put in Fox secondary 3.0 shocks. Now we're gonna move to the rear where we've added our KHC low profile bypass rack, and it absolutely looks killer. I highly recommend if you are looking to run a kit like this, because I absolutely love the look, the fit, the finish, and the performance most of all. Well, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed checking out this Gen 2 Raptor that we just finished up for our customer. Let us know what you maybe like most about this build. Maybe it's the 1552 wheels that you see here that are next to me, or the carbon fiber fenders. But guys, as always, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.